welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching the next BLT, and I do not mean the sandwich. Okay? Okay, so for this part, I sectioned my hair because it just made it easier to keep my hair in one position. That way I did not have to worry about the braid going bent or weird. And I'll definitely recommend this for beginners or people who are having a hard time getting their hair to like stay straight. But at the same time, if you don't want to do this, you don't have to do it. So yeah. Okay, so only braid the braid till the end of your natural hair. And for the wrapping part, I used a Marley wool hybrid. It kind of feels like wool, but at the same time it kind of feels like Marley hair. So yeah, everything will be in the description box below. Okay, so now that I'm done wrapping my cornrow, I think I'm ready to get some curls in. What do y'all think? Alright, so as you guys can see, I started from the bottom. Now we're here. Okay, forget that. But yes, make sure you start from the bottom, and you know, whatever you do, just don't start from the top. Even if you're tempted to, like, it's gonna get very messy and you're just gonna waste so much hair because you end up just like taking it out and restarting it. So just start from the bottom and just make your way up to the top, and before you know it, you'll be done. So just keep going. Now for your final step, you want to create the illusion that the curls are coming from the cornrow. So you will need to wrap the end one more time and make sure you get a few wraps around just to keep it looking nice and neat. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like it, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys as well. If at all you have any questions, don't be shy, leave them in the comment section below.